Log points enable you to inject debug printouts at runtime without altering the code. This can prove particularly useful when you want to print debug messages from read-only code, or you want to easily toggle particular debug messages on and off at any time during execution. To quickly add a log point, right-click on the editor vertical bar and select Add Log Point. Inside the text area, you can type any string that you would use in a print function like display. You can also use any variable or function visible at this point in code by enclosing it in curly braces. Content Assist is available. Just press Ctrl Space to see the proposals. Let's also add a breakpoint after this loop, so we'll get the chance to review the output, and then start the UVM Runtime Elaboration. Notice that the messages were printed in the console, and execution did not suspend when the log point was reached. Now let's resume execution. Another conditional breakpoint gets hit. Notice the disabled log point above, which did not print anything. We can now toggle it on to get printouts for the remaining iterations of the loop.